Good day everyone, welcome back to this my channel. So if you are new to this our channel, do not forget to subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe as we analyze our forex pair for this week. So we are going to be analyzing our currency pair for this for today. So let's see where our price will try to move. First, we'll be looking at our dollar index. Our dollar index, as we have predicted, if you watch my weekly video, that I predicted that our dollar index will actually be shooting up very well, and you can start with actually gotten that move. That is why I want to actually subscribe, so you can actually get my analysis and work on my analysis, so we can actually go together. You can see that our index has actually pushed up. Now what do we think we are waiting for? We are actually waiting for a pullback on this our index. Probably if we get that pullback, a huge I think probably a huge pullback, then will continue pushing up. And if not possible, then we can actually, if possible, there's every possibility we can have our pullback to this our area here. Like I said, there's every possibility we can have our pullback to this our area here, coming down to touch this our resistance area. Our price can come down, touch our resistance before we continue our push up, and there's every possibility it might not even, we might have a little pull back, then we'll continue our bullish upward. But at the end of the day, what we are waiting for our index is that we are waiting for that pullback. As we've gotten that our bullish run up, we're actually waiting for a pullback then before we can continue our bullish run. So let's see where our pullback might probably have happened. Let me see if I can get it. My eyes wicked. Probably if we can get that our pullback for today to our 23.6. Probably possibly today, if we can get our pullback in 23.6 for today, and if not, then we can continue push up. Our price will touch this our liquidity area here, then we can now come down again. Possibly if we don't have that our pullback to our 23.6, then we should be having something like a ranging move for today. Exactly for today Friday, that is exactly what I think will probably be happening on our US index. Now our next pair we'll be looking at is our euro USD. Like I predicted, if you watch my weekly video, you see that I said that our euro will actually be falling down, which it actually did. Now on my daily time frame, what do you think I'm waiting for? Since we are waiting for our US index to actually push down, right, then any other currency pair relating to our USD should actually be pushing up. So that is why I think that possibly, since our US index will be pushing down, then this our euro compared to our US index should actually be pushing up, as giving us something like a retracement. Then we can continue our bearish move downward. That is exactly what I am looking for, or what I am aiming for. We should actually be looking for a push up on our euro USD for today on my daily time frame and our 4-hour time frame. We can see that our price wants to start giving us that push up move, especially on our 1-hour time frame. We can see that our price does not want to break below here. It is actually still want to continue pushing up. Let's see if, first of all, let's see if we can get the push up to this our area here for today. Then probably our price, we can continue our push up, or probably our price will come down and we start having something like a range between this area here. That is exactly what I think might happen. But let's see, above all, we are going for a push up. That is a bullish move on our euro USD. Next pair, same thing. Like I said, if you watch my video, like that we will be having a huge push down on our pound USD, and we can see it now. We are having that push down. So above all, now we are having a push up. I believe we will be having our push up to this our area here, probably because I know that our pound is very bearish. So I think we should be having our pull back to this our area here before we can continue our fall on our pound. And if not possible, if not that, then we can have our pull or push up here. But I'm aiming to take my push up to this my area here, waiting for push up to get to this our area here before I actually continue my sell downward or my pound USD. As you can see on our 4-hour time frame, same with our daily time frame, we are having that bearish move. As you can see on our weekly time frame, you can see that our weekly time frame price has gotten to this our major area here. So that is why we are having something like a push up when we have a push up, then we can actually now see that fall. But above all, we are aiming for a little bit of push up on our pound USD. Our next pair we have is our USDJPY. You can see that our USDJPY is actually very much bullish, so we will continue going bullish on our USDJPY. Exactly what I am looking for. I don't think there will be a major push down on our USDJPY. I personally think there won't be, but let's see if we can spot it. I don't think, probably when we see a pull down, then we should continue our bullish move on our USDJPY, because I don't think there will be a major push down on our USDJPY on our 4-hour time frame. On our daily time frame too, you can see we are aiming for a push up on our USDJPY. So our next pair we will be looking at is our USD card. Now you can see that we've added that bullish move on our card. Let's mark this our major area here, where our price has reacted to as our what do I call it, resistance, and probably we would want to be waiting for a push down. Let's see if we actually continue our push bearish move down to this our area here, then before we can start aiming for up. So above all, let's be aiming for a pull down, a bearish move today on our USD card, as it is showing on our daily time frame. As you can see on our 4-hour time frame, it's still giving us that push down move on our 4-hour time frame. You can see, probably let our price come to this our area here. If our price can actually push down here, then we can actually now start aiming for a buy on our USD card. Our next pair, we can see our AUDUSD, as I predicted that we are having a very huge fall on our AUDUSD, and we've gotten that huge fall on our AUDUSD. There's every possibility that I don't think it will continue, but we will continue having that push down. The reason why I said that is to take out this liquidity area here, so that is exactly what I am looking for. Probably our price gets here, this place where our price has reacted, that is where I am taking our odd will actually get down. So I feel our odd is actually sitting on a bearish move. We should not bother taking a buy, and if you have to take a buy, it should not be much, probably about 50% pips upward. Then we would continue our fall down, because we've not actually taken out this our liquidity area. So definitely we are not aiming for a buy on our AUDUSD. So I'm still looking at a fall on our AUDUSD, and our next pair is our New Zealand USD. Now you can see our price has come down, take out this our support area here. So what do you think we are aiming for? I'm aiming for a push up. Why? Because our USD want to start falling, and any pair relating to our USD probably should be pushing up today. That is why you can see that I am aiming to actually take a buy position, probably take out my first take profits here, and if possibly our price continue to go up, then probably we should take our second profit here. So let's see how the price will react, but for today we should be aiming bullish move. That is exactly what I am seeing on my New Zealand USD. And our last pair for today is our USD Swiss franc. As you can see that our USD is actually pushing up in very well, and you can see our Swiss franc is about falling. That is why I doubt if we would have that continue push down on our USD Swiss franc, because I doubt it. But let's see if you can continue push up, because I'll be waiting for a push up. If my price can manage to break below this area, then definitely I'll view it as my USD Swiss franc starting to fall. But if it fails to break this my area or get to this my area, I'll be taking my buy up. I'll be still looking at a very possible bullish momentum movement upward on my USD Swiss franc. So above all, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.